Now the question is, there is a figure given where there is a rheostat. This is the variable resistance having resistance 2 kilo ohm, which is used to control the potential difference across this 500 ohm resistance. Now the question is, if the resistance of AB, if resistance of this portion is 500 ohm, then what is the potential difference across this load? What will be the potential difference across this 500 ohm resistance? This is the first part of the question. So if we look at the total resistance of AC is 2 kilo ohm or 2000 ohm, तो अगर AB का resistance 500 ohm है तो BC का resistance this is 1500 ohm. तो यहाँ से अगर I current आ रही है तो current will be distributed as 500 ohm and 1500 ohm are in parallel. और पैरेलल में अगर रेजिस्टर है करंट इन्वर्सली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होती है, यानी अगर 500 ओम के थ्रू करंट I/4 है 1500 के थ्रू, तो 500 के थ्रू इट इज 3I/4 करंट. Now if there is a potential difference of 50 volt, the equivalent resistance of this circuit we obtain R equivalent is equal to 500 plus 500 into 1500 by 500 plus 1500. So this is equal to 500 plus 3/4 of 500 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So current in the circuit I is equal to 50 volt by R equivalent, that is 50 volt upon 500 ohm plus 3/4 of 500 ohm. So the potential drop across this 500 volt resistor, V 500 volt ohm resistor is equal to current through the resistor 3I/4 into 500 ohm. So here from we can write 3/4 of 50 by 500 plus 3/4 of 500 into 500. So here from we can see this 500, 500 and 500 is cancelled and we are left with 3/4 of 50 upon 1 plus 3/4, that is 3 into 50 by 7, or 150 by 7 volt is the potential difference across this 500 ohm resistor or the load resistor. The potential difference is 150 by 7 volt. So this is the first part of the answer. क्वेश्चन के सेकेंड पार्ट में कहा गया है, इफ द लोड इज रिमूव्ड देन व्हाट शुड बी द रेजिस्टेंस एट BC टू गेट 40 वोल्ट बिटवीन B एंड C. अब 500 ओम रेजिस्टर को रिमूव कर दिया गया है तो द सर्किट रिड्यूसेस टू दिस टू पार्ट, दिस इज 50 वोल्ट. सपोज दिस रेजिस्टेंस is 2000 minus R and the other resistance is R. Now current in the circuit I is equal to 50 by 2000 ampere, that is equal to 1 upon 40 ampere. Now it is asked that potential difference across BC, this across BC, this has to be equal to 40 volt. So 40 volt is equal to I into R, that is 1 upon 40 ampere into R, or R is equal to 40 volt into 40 ampere, that is equal to 1600 ohm resistance. So resistance across BC will be 1600 ohm.